told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know, and it's been coming for some time. When it's over,